Hi, my name is Stijn. Welcome to Todo. I want to show you how to make a delicious cocktail de camarón or shrimp cocktail. I've got some frozen, peeled, deveined shrimp right here. So before we get to use them, we're going to cook them. I've got a little pan over the heat and we're going to flavor it with half an onion, 2 bay leaves and some garlic cloves. So once your water has come to a boil, we're just gonna add these for 2 minutes tops until they're nice and pink in color. So the base of this sauce is tomato based, but not in the way you would think. It's actually ketchup. So what we're gonna do is pour about half a cup of ketchup in there. And then I'm gonna add some Yucateco habanero sauce. You can use any other Mexican hot sauce you like. I just like this one, it's a black one. It's got this nice smoky burnt flavor. Another thing we're gonna do is add the juice of 2 limes. Next up is 1 avocado. Basically the way you can check if an avocado is ripe is just to give it a squeeze down here, and it has to feel almost a little bit harder than the tip of your nose. I'm just gonna take some slits in there. I'm gonna take a spoon and just go underneath, and all of the avocado comes out. How easy is that? So the avocado's in, the hot sauce is in, the ketchup, the lime juice. So we're gonna stir that around. So we're 2 minutes in. These have completely changed color from gray translucent to a firm white and pink color. And the next thing we're gonna do obviously is take them out the water and toss them into our mixture. Now just stir that in there until it's all nicely covered. I usually serve them in these lovely glasses and just top it up with a little bit of onion and some cilantro. And then you can serve that with some saltine crackers and some totopos or tostadas, whichever you prefer. And of course a good amount of hot sauce for people to spice it up the way they like it. There you go, cocktail de camarones. Super easy, super delicious. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with the cooks around you that love to put Mexican flavors on their table. Subscribe to the channel, it's completely free, it helps other people find these recipes, and don't forget to check out all the recipes on todo.be, Instagram or at Facebook. If you've made this recipe, let me know, show it to the world and use the hashtag CookingConTodo. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Adios.